Buying mana with fiat on Guardarian is easy and secure. Go to our homepage, find mana in the cryptocurrencies list, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and doesn't charge you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Select a payment method and ensure you have read the terms and conditions. Fill in your wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Guardarian will never call you. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Select your preferred document and take a picture. Next up is a facial verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame, and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. Finally, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. Use the reference number performing the bank transfer. Payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. The exchange will be performed immediately after we receive payment. As soon as we receive your payment, the exchange will be performed.